Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to perfectly lip-sync Suno music using Kling AI. But first, I want you to watch the final result so you can see exactly how this tutorial can elevate your creative projects.
I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind. Every symbol on the walls keeps drifting to your design. Girl, your beauty hits me quicker than the sunrise on the dunes. You're the spark that turns my ancient studies into blue. Your presence pulls me from the night. I feel the desert shift the moment you step in my sight. I can't escape your blinding eyes. Girl, you shine like all the stars across the sky. Try to focus on my scrolls, but you're the
The first thing we need to do is create lyrics to our song. I used ChatGPT to help with creating the lyrics. Make sure you give ChatGPT a reference song for inspiration. Mine was The Weeknd's Blinding Lights. Also specify that you are using Suno to create the lyrics. It will give you technical details that will help you generate a song with a similar style. Next, we will use Suno to generate a song from the lyrics that ChatGPT created. I already generated my song. In the side panel, you can see the details of how my song was generated. I copied the lyrics and style that ChatGPT created and pasted them in their respective sections in the Suno user interface. I then used the Get Stems option to generate and download the vocals. This is important for our lip sync. Make sure you download the full song as well. FYI, this feature is only available to paid members. Next, I used PicLumen to generate all the images in this project, but I will focus mainly on what I call the hero image. This is our main character who will be singing. His looks were inspired by an ancient Egyptian legendary character called Imhotep. He is credited for building the first ancient Egyptian pyramid. Make sure you upscale the image to get the best quality and download it. Also, since he is the main character, we will edit the image to make it look better. I used Photoshop to improve the lighting. Flip the image and change the artistic elements in the background to match those of ancient Egypt. When you are done with editing the image, crop the image to a 16:9 aspect ratio. This will help in producing a video that has a standardized size and avoid quality issues due to spacing. Next, we will upload the image onto Kling AI. This platform is able to turn our images into videos and lip-sync the videos with our audio. Make sure you use Model 2.1. It is the best model for generating quality videos at the time of this recording, which is December 2025. Look out for my latest videos for any updates if 4 months have passed. Use the Start Frame option to upload your image. And change the settings below to Professional. Select 10 seconds and turn off sounds. I have now uploaded the edited image. In the prompt section, make sure you describe what the character is doing. Are they singing slowly? Are they singing calmly? Are they singing passionately? Are they rapping? Also, make sure you describe the environment. If you don't describe the environment, Kling tends to use Asian themes which might not match with your theme. The shaky handheld camera effect is a must-use in my opinion. Here is an example of what happens when you do not specify your background environment. The statue figure behind him does not look Egyptian, but with our updated prompt, we will achieve the desired result. As you can see, Kling was able to generate the ancient Egyptian environment I was looking for because I requested it in the prompt. The shaky handheld camera effects made the video look natural, and our hero character starts to sing using calm expressions, and slowly it becomes more intense, which is perfect for the beginning of the song. I suggest you make 5 or 6 of these videos with different expressions and movements. This will give you different options for different scenes, depending on what is required in the lip sync department. Next, we need to chop up the vocals that we downloaded from Suno AI. This is the voice without any music in the background. We need to chop it up since Kling AI doesn't allow more than 10 seconds audio. I like to chop the audio to not more than 9 seconds to be on the safe side. Also, as you are chopping up the vocals, make sure you are saving them sequentially so you can keep track of them. Another tip is to make sure you time the vocals in areas where there are small pauses, not while they are in the middle of singing, as it will not look natural when you try lip-syncing it to the video. By the way, the software I am using is Premiere Pro. Once you are done with all the chopping, we can now head back to Kling AI and start the lip-syncing process. Next, we will head back to Kling AI and select our video that we recently created. Select the lip sync option below the video, and it should take you to the lip sync section. Your video will load up in the timeline. Take note of how many seconds your video is. Make sure the whole video is highlighted in white. If the whole video isn't highlighted in white, then it means your video has a problem. Either it is too dark or the quality is too low. I found flipping the video or adding more exposure can help fix this issue. You could also use another video, but the main point is that the whole video needs to be highlighted in white, otherwise you will have a problem trying to lip sync. Next, we will upload our first vocals that we chopped up. The vocals will first upload to the right side of the screen. Select Add Speech. This will send the vocals to the timeline. In the timeline, make sure you align the vocals with the mouth movements in the video for the best results. An important tip is to end the vocals when your character closes his mouth. If you see in my video, I have timed the vocals to end when his mouth is closed. He does continue singing, but I will cut out that part since we do not need it.
I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind.
Once you are done aligning the vocals with the video, click Generate. It takes about 3 minutes to generate the video.
I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind.
Our video came out good. We still have to trim the video to remove the part where he stops singing. We will do this in Premiere Pro.
I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind. I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind.
I added a transition at the end to connect the remaining clip. I then used the remaining clip to lip sync the next vocals so the transition was smooth.
I've been moving through these temples with your shadow in my mind. Every symbol.
Here is another tip. You can duplicate the end clip and reverse it so it looks like one clip. This is helpful whenever a video is shorter than the vocals. This will also save you credits. Also, you could slow down the video to accommodate for long vocals. Especially if they are singing, that can help the character maintain an open mouth when singing high notes.